Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on the Shipt app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and redeem a gift card. Maybe you received one for your birthday or Christmas. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Wallet. And then underneath where it says Credit Balance, click on Redeem Gift Card. So on your gift card, there should be a scratchable code where you can actually go ahead and scratch it and then enter the gift card code here and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on the Shipt app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.